this is Paul Milligan for ISE Show TV. I'm joined at the Biamp stand by Graham Harrison. Hello, Graham.
Hi. Hi.
First of all, you guys have launched a brand new product at the show. Could you tell some of our viewers about that, please?
Sure. We've launched a range of Tessera Forte processors with the Dante protocol enabled on them. And the reason we've done that is because Shure have a range of beamforming microphones, the MXA microphones, and a lot of the integrators that use our processors use Shure microphones. And both Shure and ourselves got a lot of requests for better interoperability. So you've been able to use the Shure mics with Tessera in the server series because we have a Dante card there. We've had it for years.
Yeah.
And we do a lot of installations with Shure mics using that. But there was a demand for that at a lower price point, so in the Tessera Forte range. So the actual hardware is just one part of the solution. So what both companies wanted to do was make our products easy to interface with each other. So as well as the Dante-enabled hardware, which is 4 processors in the Tessera Forte range, there's also new software blocks, and we'll increasingly bring out functionality that brings those 2 products together.
Yeah.
So in the Shure processing blocks at the moment, you can press a button and access all of the advanced setup functionality of the Shure mics without having to come out of Tessera software.
Yeah.
And that's just the first stage of what we see as an increasingly close collaboration between ourselves and Shure.
I mean, in the AV world, sadly, there are too many examples of Company A's products won't talk to Company B's products. Mm-hmm. So to hear you talk about the Shure is very refreshing personally. Can you tell me about how that collaboration with Shure has come about and your kind of views on interoperability and such?
Yeah. So we were asked, we've known the Shure guys for a long time. I think they're a great company. And we were asked, and they were asked, for this interoperability. Yeah. So we just got on the phone to each other. I called Paul Milligan and we started working on what would be a meaningful set of functionality. Yeah. Obviously, we would have liked Shure to do an AVB version of their microphones because we still are totally committed to AVB as our core internal protocol. Yeah. So we have 2 types of protocols. We have interface protocols, which is CobraNet, Dante. If our industry comes out with a new one, we look to interface with that. And then we have our core protocol, which is AVB, for a lot of different reasons to do with licensing, future-proofing, the ability to run video as well as audio, deterministic transmission. Yeah. So there's a ton of reasons why we believe AVB is the best protocol, but we need to work well with others.
Yeah.
And what you're seeing, for example, with AES 67 is a sort of gluing together of different protocols. So for example, when you're trying to run Dante with QLAN, you've got issues with DSCP, which is the mechanism within which protocols that aren't inherently deterministic try and negotiate priority levels. Yeah. And different manufacturers use different DSCP levels, which then actually clash with each other, so you've got to go in and manually change them. As well as what's called the precision time clock, PTP, and it depends whether you're using PTP version 1 or version 2, and so you can't do clock syncing between protocols. We didn't want to get into that, so we just thought, okay, we'll just do Dante like they're doing Dante, and then it'll be fine. Yeah. The challenge is engineering time. We always have more things that we want to do than engineers to do them. Yeah. So when it comes to a collaboration with another manufacturer, that has to be fitted in with our own product schedules. Sure. And we try to do some of each of those things. Yeah.
Graham, it's always a pleasure to talk to you. Thanks for your time.
Thank you.